Hello there, my friends. So we're going to open up this AZDome 4K Ultra HD dash cam. This one obviously fits over top of the rearview mirror in your car, and this is what it looks like coming right out of the box. So take this off, and this. Okay, so our unboxing video. So right here, you're going to have like a piece of covering the lens that keeps it safe during shipping. And then this is how you hook it up over top of your rear view mirror. So you put it on like this, and there'll be these rubber bands in here. So here's like a cloth for like cleaning the lenses and such. This is the rear view camera, right? Or actually, this is the GPS. Sorry, this is the rear view camera. You'll run this to the back window and stick it on with 2-way tape. This is the plug for plugging the sucker in. These are the elastic bands. So the elastic bands will go over top of your rear view mirror like this. And like put one in like that. Like so. It'll go over top and around, and then in the bottom it'll hook in like that, and it'll be under tension, so like that. And then you can adjust this a little bit. It'll stick out to the side of the mirror, right? And it actually is a mirror. You can see my face and my shirt here, and my ceiling fan. So yeah, this is this will function as a rear view mirror as well. So if for some reason the power doesn't work on this, or you know, if it's at night or something and there's glare, you can just use it as a rearview mirror as well. So there's that. There's a little tool in here for like moving like different panels and sticking the wires in as you run it towards the back. There is also a manual to tell you how to use it. There are wipes so that you can clean the windscreen, right, where you're going to like attach stuff, like you're going to like use 2-way tape to attach the rear view mirror, or I'm sorry, rear camera. So here, for instance, let's open up the rear camera. It should have, so right on here, this camera will attach. You can put this on the rear windscreen and then face it out so that it faces the back. And here it is. There's usually a piece of 2-way tape there. So you don't have to drill any holes in your car, which is nice. And yeah, so this is a USB-C. So some of these have like a really weird kind of plug, and you need like special adapter for that if you don't have that. But this is just a regular USB-C, so that's good. They're with the times. And then when you plug it in, there's a USB-A that you can plug other things into as well in case you need that. So it, because usually you only have one 12-volt outlet there. And make sure this is screwed on tight, because I've had dash cams where this comes loose and then all of a sudden you have this, you know, this big part of your of the plug inside your 12-volt outlet, and you don't want that. And then this is for the GPS. So you will attach this, you'll plug this in here where it says GPS, and then you'll take the peel this off and attach this to like the windscreen, inside the windscreen, and it'll give you like location information. So if you are in an accident or something like that, it'll tell you like how fast your car was moving, where it was at, that sort of thing, so that you can prove your innocence. The USB-C plugs in here. This says TF. This is the backup camera, or RV, I'm sorry. This is the reverse camera. And then it comes with, some of them do and some of them don't. This one actually comes with a memory card, and it comes with a 64. So that's pretty nice. All right, I'll put the link in the description below for this thing. If there's anything else you want to know about this, let me know. This is where the power switch is on and off, and the rest of the menu is on screen. It's a touch screen. So when we install this, I will do a video about all the functions of this wonderful AZDome PG17 is the name of the model number, and it is 4K. And I've had AZDomes before, and so I'm really happy to get another one and review this, because I tried to get a less expensive one, and it didn't work out. It was loud, and it didn't fire up right away, and I just it was too dim. The light was too dim. So I don't know if I just got a bad model, a bad version of one, or if that's the way it's made. So that one's going back. So yeah, so I'll review this one after I put it in. Everybody have a great day out there. My name is Pittsburgh Pat, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.